Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. I hope everyone has a bunch of stuff planned this year. I hope you succeed with all your goals. I know I have a bunch of new and exciting videos planned for this year. And you may be noticing my makeup look. So I'm going to tell you right now, hit that big red subscribe button because you're going to see how I did this plus a little bit more on next week's video, and you do not want to miss that one. For today's video, I'm going to be making instant bubble tea. I got this where I work, and it's boba. It's like legit boba. And we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. I've had a bunch of people tell me they taste really good, and I'm very picky when it comes to boba. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so the kit comes with 5 drinks, pretty much. This is your hot latte coffee mix, and this is your tapioca brown sugar pearls. The directions call for 150 milliliters or 15 fluid ounces of hot water, and you're going to take your little sachet of coffee latte and you're going to pour that in there and mix it together. I'm going to open this off camera because I have to use a sharp object. Don't want to get demonetized. Ooh, this one smells really good. It smells like a French vanilla latte that you can get from Starbucks. This video is not sponsored by Starbucks in any way. We're going to add our coffee latte to our hot water, and then we're going to mix until it's thoroughly dissolved. Ooh, that's a lot. Why is it thick? We're going to try the bubble tea first by itself without the boba in it, and then we'll try it with the boba. Okay, that is well combined. We're going to go ahead and try it without the tapioca pearls in it. That's really good. This may replace Starbucks. And you can make it at home. So the next step is to add the boba packet, then you got to microwave for 15 seconds. So I'm going to add these, step off camera, go microwave it, and then we'll be back. And then we got to add ice. Ew, it's so thick. Ew. They're so sticky. The tapioca pearls are in. I'm going to step off camera, go microwave for 45 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. It's microwaved. I have my ice cubes. And it says add 300 grams or about 10 ice cubes. I don't have enough room for 10, so we're just going to put a couple. Okay, I can fit 5. They do come with... Oh, I don't think I was supposed to use all the tapioca pearls. Oh, wait, yeah, I was. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and they even give you a boba straw. So without further ado, we're going to try this homemade boba kit. Cheers. So the coffee's good. I'm not finding any boba though with anything going. So I'm not getting any of the boba bubbles. So I'm trying to stab one. Okay, the boba bubbles taste like rubber. That's disgusting. Okay. So I'm going to rate this boba kit a 7 out of 10. The coffee by itself is good. The boba, just once you microwave it again, gets like really hard. But like still chewy. So it's not the best thing. If you like this video and you want to see me try more random DIY kits at home, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button and comment down below what you want me to try. I will try anything. Give this video a big thumbs up and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!